12 tips and tricks for learning the English language. Here's detailed explanation of each of the tips for learning the English language. 1. Set clear goals. Start by defining what you want to achieve with your English language learning. Do you want to become fluent in speaking, improve your writing skills, or prepare for a specific exam? Setting clear goals helps you stay focused and motivated throughout your learning journey. 2. Immerse yourself. Immersion is a powerful way to learn a language. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Listen to English music, watch movies and TV shows in English, and try to engage in conversations with native speakers. Immerse yourself in the language and culture to develop a better understanding and grasp of the language. 3. Build your vocabulary. Vocabulary is the foundation of language learning. Learn new words every day and make it a habit. Use flashcards, vocabulary apps, or create your own word lists. Practice using these words and sentences to reinforce your understanding and retention. 4. Practice speaking. Speaking is crucial for developing fluency and confidence. Find language exchange partners or conversation groups where you can practice speaking with native speakers. If that's not possible, try speaking aloud to yourself in English. This helps improve pronunciation and fluency. 5. Listen actively. Active listening is an essential skill to develop. Train your ears to understand different accents and speech patterns by actively listening to English audio materials. This can include podcasts, audiobooks, or even TED Talks. Take notes, focus on understanding the content, and practice identifying key information. 6. Read widely. Reading is a great way to expand your vocabulary, improve comprehension, and enhance your overall language skills. Read a variety of materials such as books, newspapers, and online articles. Start with materials that match your current proficiency level and gradually challenge yourself with more complex texts. 7. Write regularly. Writing regularly helps you practice grammar, sentence structure, and expressing your thoughts in English. Start with simple sentences and gradually progress to more complex compositions. Consider keeping a journal, writing essays on topics that interest you, or participating in online writing communities for feedback. 8. Use technology. Take advantage of technology for language learning. There are numerous language learning apps, online courses, and websites specifically designed to help you learn English. These resources often provide interactive exercises, grammar explanations, vocabulary drills, and even language exchange opportunities. 9. Join language communities. Engage with online communities, language forums, or language exchange platforms to connect with other English learners. Sharing experiences, asking questions, and practicing together can boost your motivation, provide valuable insights, and create a supportive learning environment. 10. Watch English videos with subtitles. Choose videos in English with subtitles and watch them attentively. This practice helps you associate words with their pronunciation, improves your understanding of spoken English, and exposes you to different accents and colloquial expressions. 11. Practice grammar. Dedicate specific time to studying English grammar rules. Work on grammar exercises that target your areas of difficulty. Seek explanations from reliable sources, such as grammar books or reputable websites, and practice using correct grammar in your spoken and written English. 12. Be consistent and persistent. Consistency is crucial in language learning. Create a study routine that works for you and stick to it. Make English a part of your daily life, even if it's just for a few minutes. Stay motivated by tracking your progress, celebrating milestones, and embracing mistakes as learning opportunities. Remember, these tips are meant to guide you, but learning a language is a personal journey. Adapt these tips to your own learning style, preferences, and goals. Stay dedicated, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the process of becoming proficient in English.